Who did that? Sino? Ikaw ba yun, Jess? Yan ba yung ano, yung payback? Ikaw ba yun? Pasi lang ah.
I work at the gas station nearby.
Oh, bakit 750 lang?
Give me one shawarma, extra sauce.
Charging 150.
Ah, man. Super crowded naman yung
You
ano.
close right when I walk up. Great service, really.
Charles! What did you do? Okay, Charles. Ako yung in-charge. Ako yung manager. Ako yung ga-decide kung open or close the window. Okay? Okay? Si just to go ba it shawarma, ikaw gato it ano, CCTV. Or wow, no! No!
I work at the gas
No.
station nearby.
I decided. Excuse me. Super crowded. Do ano, CCTV? No.
150.
No, ako nag-decide. Ako yung boss. Oh God. Invisible.
You close right when I walk up. Great service, really.
Excuse me, I am your boss. Ako nag-decide. May good employee at may stubborn employee. Konti lang ang kwarta nga I think yung gamit ko tatanan ano kay Nicole. Ang kwarta. Charles, sa ako niya perspective, I mean ko bold kating
Sorry.
Ay, excuse me, stubborn employee. Ano ba? Anong oras yun? 12:48. I am your boss. Okay, remember that. I am your boss. Sure ka gid man. Charles nga pro ka. Look what you did. My first mali agi kita. On our first day of work. God.
Never
I have a
before.
proposition.
What a magical place it is.
Oh my God. Malapit lang yun I did something bad. At may nakita kong monster sa sa guwa.
150 for both of us.
I don't know.
Close?
Yeah. I-close. Bahala si Charles na rin. I-close.
We share everything, even hunger. You closed the window,
Open mo.
but he's still inside.
He?
Never left. He never leave.
Tama. Oh my God, si Santa Claus.
Ho, 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 merry evening. I smelled your food from very far away.
May
Aha,
gadan
long
sa
trip.
likod.
Oh my God, it's a ghost.
Yes, I've been flying all night. The Rangers are hungry. I am hungry too.
One shawarma. No service for Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Guess you're on the naughty list this year.
Sabit mahal mo.
Oh my God. Sino kaya ang magiging the best employee of the month kaya kara? Which one? Two of you. Sino kaya kinyo Dewa? The best employee of the month.
Hello again. One shawarma, please.
One shawarma
Weren't
daw.
you here before?
Close on.
Wow,
I like that.
Close ang
naman.
mukha ko sa likod.
What?
You forgot to finish my order. It's all right. I remember for you.
I remember kung na naka mo. Bot ako because I'm good. 5:13 AM na. Malapit na matapos na itong shift.
One for burn.
Huh?
Gear fast.
Thinking.
Good.
Perhaps as you said.
Really? Nandyan pa siya.
Nopus Y Kedgeford.
Hi, one shawarma, please.
That's 150.
I don't
Great,
know. I
thanks.
think
It
may
already
duplicangers
smells
dra.
amazing.
Wa, okay mo siya.
Ay, serve mo. Yung atong best chef is served. Bakit ang bahan ng shawarma natin? 150. At bakit yung soda mahal rin? 50. 50 Robux.
Here's your order.
Lugi kita guys.
Delicious
Sino
as
nag-isipit
always.
price? Meat refill. Okay. Okay guys, let's go na. We're out. We're leaving. Tapos na yung ano natin shift till 7 AM na. Excuse me, it's time to leave na. Wait, sarado. Sarado the window. And we're leaving na. It's 7 AM na. Close the window. Excuse me, good. Oh, nasaradon kita. Yagid ako sa may ano ko ring. Hello. Jess, ano pangalan mo kara? Meowie.
Wala pa man.
Sabi sa inyo eh.